Comic-Con.
What?
Comic
already?
Yeah, I didn't take pictures or video earlier. I'm gonna come on this side.
We're still making the costume as of this morning.
Yeah, we were still working on things. What?
No.
And then Jennifer. And then Jones.
I don't have my cigarette, sorry. I gave it up for a while.
I'm gonna fall over. Let's go get our stuff.
Hey, hi, I'm Nicola Finn. I'm here at Comic-Con 2017 and I am Jennifer Goines, 80s,
and you're filming in portrait mode.
Yeah.
The internet's gonna hate her.
So there we go.
Now you messed it up. Now we're gonna be twisted.
Oh God.
Oh,
Honestly, I don't know.
The witness.
Stanford, can you hang on a second, Mr. James Cole? Amanda Schultz, Dr. Cassandra. Todd Saxon, who plays Deacon. And the one, the only, the witness, Miss Allison Downs, you guys.
But also boo.
Oh my gosh, and you guys, I know y'all are a bunch of social butterflies, so feel free to tweet this, Instagram it, Snapchat it, YouTube it, Facebook Live it, Peanut it, I don't know, that's probably a social media app, right? And just get it out there because we love 12 Monkeys. There are so many fans who can't be here tonight, and you guys are right their window into this amazing conversation that we're about to happen, all right?
We're ignoring the panel to take a video.
But anyways, you can tell it because it's lies.
It was a lie, but we invented this scenario with the audio engineers. This guy Jorge was our boom guy. He was this big, tall, he was Brazilian, I guess, right?
No, it's
Peruvian. That they had a special meter for every time when we farted.
I never
And so he would go pound in on it, and he goes up to her and he's like, even though I have to document it for the editorial logs, would you say that was an EF5 or an EF8? And she goes, what are you talking about? I said, well, we have to document all your farts. And it only happened once, and she didn't. We've gone off the rails now. Let's talk about the serpent.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Sorry.
Oh, yes, let's set the scene.
Okay, here it goes. Can you do it? Can you do that?
Yes.
Let's just recommend the dance.
And this is not my dance.
Let's do it. Oh my God! That's really good. That's really.
Oh, hearsay. You know? Amazing.
That was uncanny.
Come on, guys.
Oh my God.
Get in there.
Amazing thing you guys have ever seen.
Oh my God. We're gonna time travel the Comic-Con right now. I'm so ready.
Don't hit the wrong button.
Oh, wait, it's the wrong one. Okay.
No. No.
It's not a real thing, Terry, it's just a prop. So, but we can still hug and stuff because we like to. I didn't fart.
You guys, on that sweet, adorable, loving, wonderful note, I think is where we're gonna have to end it. Thank you all so much for coming, supporting this incredible.
Hey, what's up? So we went to the panel. Whoa, look at this. It looks so much better in downlight, man. Anyway, we went to the panel. Haven't taken a lot of video today. I've been busy.
No, it was too much.
And we sat in a panel all day today. Look at you. You look so good. You both look so good. I look good too. Look at me. Everyone, right?
Loved us.
My blade. What? We're gonna leave now. We gotta go this way because of all the traffic. I don't want to. Gotta beat the crowds.